seen my Las Vegas vlog part 1, go check that out first before you see part 2. I went to Hell's Kitchen, I went to my very first escape room, I shopped at Miniso, and I ate the most delicious dessert of the entire world. Here's part 2 of my Las Vegas vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hi guys, it is literally 1 a.m. which is insane. I just finished filming a YouTube short and a TikTok. I'm so excited for that to post and for you guys to see it. And literally I loved how the look turned out. It turned out so cute. I watched like a few episodes of Pretty Little Liars. I ate so much good food. Today I literally ate spicy vodka pasta with chicken, and then also I ate like so many different macarons which were delicious. And then I ate like a piece of like lemon tart and then a piece of like strawberries and cream crepe, which was, everything was so delicious. And I'm just like, I loved the food. I'm so like grateful. There was like so much to eat and it was so good. Oh, and I also filmed the TikTok and the YouTube shorts and just did a couple of content stuff for today. I want to open my mystery boxes that I got at Misu. I got like this really cute Hello Kitty pillow as well. It's so cute. I honestly cannot wait to just have that pillow on my bed and just like use that pillow like every single day and just like even like hug it too as I'm like relaxing in my bed. I also got these Sanrio character boxes. They're like mystery boxes, so you don't know which character you're gonna get. So it shows you like all of them that you can get like on the sides. And then this one as well. I've always wanted these like for the longest time. I've seen them all over TikTok and I've just been obsessed and so jealous because I really wanted to have these, and I got two. I'm so excited. This one's cinema roll, and it has like these really cute like little like chef kind of like themes, kind of like cinema rolls. So cute. Like the cinema rolls like making a hamburger, this one's soup, and like breakfast. It's like so cute. Like I honestly would be happy with like any of these. And then this one has like an assortment. So it has Kuromi, cinema roll, my melody. I think I'm gonna open this one here, and then I'm gonna open this one on YouTube shorts and TikTok. So if you want to see both of what I got, check out my YouTube shorts and TikTok, and then keep watching to see what I got in this one. So let's open. Oh, there's like a top up here. Okay. Oh, I don't know what's going on. This one is okay. I'm not gonna look at the tag because there's a tag and I'm not gonna look at it. Okay. Oh, up here. Okay. It's so excited. Okay. Okay, and then I have little like stuffed animals. They all come with like little mini like stuffed animals. It's so cute. Okay. It's so cute, and then you just put this one right here, like in front of it, like, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, I'm literally putting these on my nightstand. I just opened the other one. Go check out my YouTube shorts and my TikTok to see the other one that I opened and what I got. But I'm definitely putting both of these in my nightstand, or like on top of my nightstand, because these are just too cute. They're like so cute displays. I love these little mini figurines to just put like on your nightstand or like on a desk or like just to decorate, but it's like so cute. The next day, I filmed a Get Ready With Me in Vegas. If you haven't seen that already, go check it out. It's on my channel now. And here's some little clips, and here's the next day. We went to go eat lunch at this all-you-can-eat sushi place. I've never been to an all-you-can-eat sushi place, but I loved it so much. I loved the sushi rolls, I loved the nigiri, I loved everything about it. And then we got boba milk tea, I got brown sugar milk tea. I love that. That's my favorite milk tea ever. For sushi, I personally love having like cream cheese in mine, and then sometimes I like to have like spicy mayo. And this one had like lobster, which I was like, what? Like I've never eaten a sushi that had lobster in it. So it was so good. And then also too, there was a piece of nigiri that like was lemony. I forgot which nigiri piece it was, but it was so good. I love lemon. I love the taste of lemon. So this was just right up my alley. And I loved the lobster roll that I had. It was so good. All the sushi was incredible. I loved my brown sugar milk tea. I loved it so much. It's my favorite flavor. And then afterwards we headed to the zombie VR gaming experience, and here's how it went.
Call it out, call it out. Wait, you guys call it out. Call it out. Okay. Number 8. Yeah, call it out, call it out. I mean yes, but not really. Yeah, I got a zombie on me. I got it.
This VR experience was so much fun. I had such an incredible time. I was so nervous. Like, I thought I was gonna do so bad, so terrible, have like the lowest score ever. And I didn't even mind it because I knew I was gonna have like a lot of fun, and I was a little nervous too. But overall, this experience was incredible. I will so do it again. There's literally a different zombie VR experience because we did Deadwood Valley, and there's another version where it's Deadwood Mansion. So it's like in a mansion, essentially, like fighting zombies. I want to do that experience. And then also too, my dad and my mom were celebrating their anniversary in Vegas with us. And so they did like a little surprise. They did like a happy birthday surprise at the end of our game. But since they did not have a happy anniversary, they had happy birthday. So they played that for us, which was really nice. Overall, it was such an incredible experience. I would definitely do that again. And especially with the escape room. The escape room and the VR were like activities that were highlights of this trip. I loved it so much.
Beta team, welcome to Deadwood Valley.
Nice.
Right here.
Hey, I got a zombie on me.
Vultures! Heads up!
Watch out right here. There, right?
Survivor, get to the rooftop. Something shorted out the lights.
Oh, they're coming in. Oh, motor! I got some back, team.
Me too.
Down.
I was the MVP of the game. I got the highest score, and then we went to this prestige club lounge. We got some appetizers before dinner. That chicken roll in the top left corner was so good. It was so delicious. And then for dinner, we went to Smith and Wollensky. I've never been to this steakhouse before. Our dinner was absolutely delicious. It was so phenomenal. I loved the atmosphere of this restaurant. It was so classy, so like this is where you go do your business meetings at this steakhouse. We had this bread to start off with, and then we had the filet mignon, the ribeye, the truffle mac and cheese, and the mashed potatoes. I especially loved the filet mignon, the mashed potatoes, and the ribeye. Those were my favorites. And then it was just such a delicious dinner. I loved it. And then we did another panic room, and we did like the hardest panic room with a group of 4. And luckily we finished it and we completed it with 3 minutes and 55 seconds to spare. It was the Atlantis Rising one, and it was so much fun. And then we had really fancy donuts. I loved the lemon one in the top center. And then I got steak, apple martinis, and yeah, that is the end of my Las Vegas trip. This is part 1 and part 2 just all together, and just a little recap. And I hope you guys enjoyed my Las Vegas vlogs and my content, and I loved this trip. It's one of my favorites, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys!